The Physical Master Plan report can be accessed online by going to go.ncsu.edu/masterplan in your web browser. On the Master Plan website, you will find a link to the Physical Master Plan PDF, which you can click and download. Be sure to save the PDF to your computer. The report document is interactive, so the best way to use it is on your local drive. Locate the file in your File Explorer or Finder and open it with Adobe Acrobat. The Physical Master Plan Report PDF is interactive, and the table of contents will be your guide with instructions on how to use and navigate the document. Each heading in the table of contents is clickable and will take you to the corresponding section of the document. Once there, you can navigate through by scrolling from page to page or by using your arrow keys. You can click the Table of Contents button at the top of the page at any time to go back. The report is divided into major sections blocked off in red in the Table of Contents. You can jump to the beginning of each section by clicking the buttons in the top right corner, go back to the previous section, or go all the way back to the table of contents. The Physical Master Plan breaks down each precinct of campus and details potential projects, guidelines, and the existing frameworks that tie them into our campus puzzle. You will see that each component of every precinct vision page can be accessed through the list on the map or through the nodes on the map itself. Each touchpoint described has clickable links that will allow you to learn more. And our top navigation makes it easy to orient yourself with where in the report you are looking. Concepts like our open space framework prototype live within the system of guidelines put forward by the Physical Master Plan that have nested information where you can see details like mockups and other visual context. The same applies to the Campus Systems section of the Physical Master Plan, where you can find more visual information like maps that show how every layer of planning works in tandem to keep our puzzle connected. The Physical Master Plan is robust, but full of text and imagery to help stakeholders digest and understand all that the plan has to offer.